Hey, how's it going? This is Henley at Direct Liquidation. Again, here we are with Michaela doing another outstanding unboxing for one of our liquidated Gaylords. As you can tell, she's pulling smaller items out of this Gaylord, and we're already at $300 worth of inventory. That's crazy. You can see behind her, these Gaylords are packed to the brim, and you're getting 26 of these per truckload. Already, we're at $500, and she's only 7 items in. And the best part about these Gaylords, they're general merchandise trucks, so you're gonna get a random selection of items. No two trucks are the same, but that means that you have more diverse product for your buyer base. Here we have storage items, lighting items, household items, automotive items, all found within one Gaylord on one of these general merchandise mixed truckloads. Of course, home improvement, lawn, looks like a good fan system here. We're at $1,000 worth of inventory, and she's only halfway through one Gaylord. So imagine getting 26 of these for $3,500, and you've made your money back on the first 2 pallets. Again, they're a mix of larger and smaller items. We have a great house fan here from Harbor Breeze. Michaela's only about 15 items in, and we're at $1,400 of value. That's crazy. You're already halfway through what you purchased in the first Gaylord. We have inventory all across the country, just like this, to service your needs and to cut down on shipping to make your profits even higher. Thanks for watching this Gaylord unboxing. We have plenty of inventory across multiple locations in the United States and Canada. So when you're ready to get a full truckload of 26 pallets, contact me. My information is in the description below, and I look forward to getting you some truckload inventory.